Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee, and welcome to our tutorial series brought to you by the Military Veteran Team with LPT Realty. In this video, Larry Fischer will explain the compensation agreement from the seller to the buyer's broker. Let's get started.
Now team, this is the compensation seller to buyer broker. This would be if it's a for sale by owner that you would mention the seller of the property, this property at this address. I'm the owner of this property. And LPT has a buyer broker agreement, and then they're submitting their compensation agreement on the offer that they're making on my property. Again, I would go down here, add the clause, because if you have to do a seller concession to get paid, you just want to throw it on there. Your percentage of commission, and then your fee, the brokerage fee, $195. This has to be submitted with every offer on a for sale by owner. Okay, so if you were to go to your LPT Connect, click on dot loop, go to dot loop, it'll take you to dot loop. If you want to find a template, go to templates, go to military vet team, and you have all your documents here. Exclusive buyer brokerage agreement, single agent, compensation agreement, seller to buyer's broker, exclusive broker agent, transition to transaction, and compensation agreement, seller's broker to buyer's broker. So your documents right there.
Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope our insights have been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Let's continue to work together for success in real estate.